obviously the grower, their 2 years will be, a few days to a few weeks short of what the final real restaurant, the final retailer, what have you, has to keep their records for the same item just because of the time it takes to move through the supply chain. But wait, there's more. This is kind of the gotcha. More and more retailers, such as Walmart, Kroger, I believe Amazon, Wegmans, are starting to require key data elements for foods that are not on the food traceability list. Things such as snack foods, canned goods, frozen foods, what have you. These retailers are mandating that they want this food so that they have the information they need if they've got to do a recall of some sort. So even though the FDA may not mandate this for canned goods, a can of soup, let's say the FDA doesn't care about that because that can of soup is a very low chance of containing something that would be start a foodborne illness. But they are Walmart, Kroger, et cetera, are going to start mandating this on their own. And some of these retailers want to start tracking this data prior to the January 2026 date that the FDA has set up for tracking. So talk to your customers. If you're dealing with one of these big guys, they may be coming and saying, hey, we want this data sooner. And they may want more points of data than what the FDA is mandating. So this is going to be pushed down to a lot of companies that don't think they're going to have to comply with this because they don't deal with the foods on the food traceability list today. It looks like it's going to be the industry itself is going to be mandating these key data elements are tracked, whether the food's on the traceability list or not. These retailers also want their data electronically and in different formats. So if you're old school and trying to do this on paper, you're gonna have trouble meeting the requirements of the retailers. So an electronic system of some sort that has the capability to present the data in different formats based on who your customer is and connect seamlessly with other systems is going to be the way that you're going to need to go. So there may be some investment for some of you. For a lot of you, probably already have a system in place. If not, talk to us. We can help you with that for sure. Even small retailers are starting to demand that their suppliers provide them with the data elements in electronic format for foods, products that are not on the food traceability list. They want the specific format so they can keep their own records, and they need this because they may be using things to produce, especially in a deli as an example, produce salads, coleslaws, etc. So things that may not be on the raisins are not on the food traceability list, but they may put them into a Waldorf salad or something that has other things that are on food traceability list. So that will be now that ingredient is now something that needs to be tracked. And all aspects of the supply chain are moving to electronic data systems so that they can easily collaborate with others. That's a big thing. These guys want to be able to push data seamlessly from throughout the supply chain. So if you're a cog in that wheel somewhere, you're going to be tasked soon enough to be able to send data electronically and get data electronically. That's the way the world is moving. So having a system that's going to allow you to easily communicate with other systems will be key for you. You want to be able to meet the requirements of the FDA, meet the requirements of retailers. Right now, the large guys, but the smaller guys are coming on board. They want the data and they want it electronically and seamlessly. And then you're going to need to be able to meet these requirements so that you can grow your business with new suppliers and new customers. So key resources, a full listing of the FSMA 204 rule, including a great overview video. The video I've watched is about 14 minutes. It talks to you about why, the how, the what. Watch that video. It's at that link that I have there. It'll also take you through.
Okay, did you send this email to Tony's, the Tony's transfer one?
The critical tracking events, the key data elements, examples, exceptions, sortable spreadsheet examples for each of those different areas, the different CTEs. And then the FAQ list is fantastic. It really answers all of your questions. And so fda.gov/food safety. If you just Google it, FDA FSMA 204, you'll get to that. So
Yeah.
That is about the end that we have.
Luke, I'm glad we got Dustin because
we're Royal
Drew
Force
has a
Systems.
hurricane, and
we're a 40-year-old company.
Dustin,
we've been around
and
since
you know,
1984. We are
those are
system
good rates.
authors.
But,
We
like,
sell warehouse management systems.
whoever replaces Justin is just
we have
awesome.
broad industry experience. We also have yard management systems. If you guys have a need for lots of trucks coming in and out of your
chopping up trees in his front yard,
dock scheduling, we do distribution.
Does he have time to do it?
Specific distribution warehouses, 3PLs, retail, what have you. So
for a one-on-one,
if you need help with your FSMA plan, we're more than happy to have a discussion with you, whether you're going to use our system or not. If you need a system, talk to us. We work from the small guys up to the large, corporate entities that have dozens of warehouses, what have you. So we're happy to talk to you, whether you're small, mid-sized, or a large company.
Good job, Dustin.
Need to,
you better make sure these get picked up,
compliant with the FSMA,
and make sure you have the right temperatures on there.
So that's all we have. I don't see any questions. If you do have a question, please let us know.
Just give me how I use your card. Like, what?
My name is Joe Doyle. With me, I've got Tony and Rick. We are happy. We make up the food team.
Just make
we are happy to answer the questions that you guys have. So that's all we have. We are just about at the time we said. We're happy to talk to you. So please let us know how we can help. Thank you so much and appreciate your time today.